everybody. It's another day, new day. I am just taking a morning walk before I go into work. Last night was a little tricky for me. Wasn't feeling too good. I think work really kicked my butt, and a lot of, like, I guess with my chest, I do a lot of wheezing and I can't really breathe, so it's like an uncontrollably cough, and then a lot of stuff starts to come up. So it's been pretty difficult, but it feels really nice out here. Sorry guys, but just taking a nice walk. And yeah, I should be doing some planting sometime. I know I told you guys about that in my last video. So you guys will come to the store and we can pick out some seeds I want to do, and that way, cause I wanted to get some clementines, but the thing is, the clementines I have doesn't have seeds for some reason, so I don't have those to plant. Like, normally I would take the seeds in the clementine and just plant them, but I don't really have them. And I need to grab some soil as well, so I will be doing that. So yeah, but I want to pick a tree, and I kind of want to sit at the tree. Like, I kind of do want to sit at the tree, but yeah, that's kind of what's going on. There's a tree I saw back here. Hold on, let me go back around, because there was a tree I saw back here that I kind of wanted to sit by. I did wake up a little bit later today because I fell back asleep. I got a call around like 10 and I accidentally fell back asleep, and I didn't mean to because I was supposed to get up, but it's not too late. Start today, never is. The sun is shining, feels nice out here, you know. Yeah, but yeah, I think I want to go to this tree. So, but yeah, during the process of me getting sicker, I did lose a lot of weight, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm about to gain all this back, because it's been really difficult and I noticed it. So now I'm just like, how the heck do I gain this back? So, and I was gonna start taking Ensure again, but honestly, if anything, sometimes I feel like it doesn't gain me weight. So I'm gonna have to try a different approach, whether it's taking vitamins that'll help me gain weight, or whatever the case is, something. But we're gonna have to figure that one out too, guys. Okay guys, should I sit at this tree? Hold on, wait, wrong one, sorry. This tree with the coconuts, or should I sit at this pretty tree? I think I'm gonna sit at this pretty tree. Beautiful tree. You guys see how beautiful this tree is? It's gorgeous. Gorgeous tree.